That wire won't cooperate. Oh, come on. Just... Oh, my god. Oh. Oh. It's just you, Rumi. Hey. What, this? Just, just doing some routine maintenance on my chest compartment. Yep. It's just a monthly thing. It's fine. Tangled. No. No. This is all completely normal. The wires are supposed to look like that, all bunched up together and mixed up. Yeah. Oh, don't give me that look. I just got a little carried away. Is all. I just have to detangle these and plug them back in. No biggie. Can you help with this? Are you sure it's a pretty big mess in there? Are you sure you're up for it? It could take hours if we're not. Oh, well, if you're that insistent, all right then. Just sit right here in front of me, and I'll tell you where to go. It's easy once you get the hang of it, but it's hard to see from a top-down view, you know? Okay. Uh, yes, you're allowed to touch me. You kind of have to do that to service my wires. Uh, no, it's okay, I promise. Okay, just yeah, open up this panel here, and you can see the problem. Those two wires are crossed, and while trying to untangle those two wires, I may have managed to tangle at least 7 more. Well, cable management is not that easy. Alright. It's just hard to do from this angle. Usually I have a mechanic do this, but I wanted to try it myself. I guess I learned the hard way that I should leave that to the professionals. Oh, just put that one in the black plug back there. Yeah, that one. Okay, good. And you just connect this one here. You wind it around that valve right back. No, the other one. That one back there. Yeah, you got it. If I didn't know any better, I'd say you're a professional. Look at you. You're doing great. Thank you. It means a lot that you're willing to help. I know we're technically just roommates, but I don't know. I consider you a friend now. Why would... Because you're always kind to me. You're gracious, helpful, inventive, funny, cute. Oh, no, I said resolute, determined, all gung ho about life. Oh, well, I never said that. I think you're cute, yeah, but that's besides the point right now. Um, oh, just be careful. That one sparks. You don't want to get caught in the line of fire there. Okay. Um, and that one is a bit tough to plug in. Just oh, okay. Sorry. No, it's okay. It was the wrong one. No, you're fine. You're fine. You're doing great. Just move it over to the left. Okay. I just... Thank you. This is embarrassing to be caught with crossed wires like this. So, I'm grateful. You've done a lot for me, and this is just another thing to add to the list. What was that? Do I really... Well, yeah. I think you're cute. Why wouldn't I? I wouldn't be letting just anyone touch my wires. Oh, wait! That came out wrong. I'm sorry. I. Oh, don't give me that look. It was an accident, a slip of the tongue. I promise. Okay, last two. That one's a bit hard. You just have to kind of move below that little pipe there, and okay, there we go. I think that's the last one. That looks really good. Wow, you lined them up by color and everything. I can't think of enough. Is there anything I can do for you? $20. Wait a sec. I thought. Oh, haha. Very funny. But really, how can I repay you? Trust me, I would have been stuck here for hours if you hadn't come in. And, well, I don't like to leave good deeds unrewarded. Oh, come on. There has to be something. Come on, name it. Oh, I know. You wanted to see that new flick that's coming out, right? The oh, what was it called? Yeah, that one. It looks really good. I could get us some tickets and we could go out. Just the two of us in a movie theater, popcorn, soda. Unless you're not into that, in case we'll drink water and eat celery sticks. Oh, not like out, out. No, no, no. You know what I mean. I mean, you can think of it that way if you'd like. But I bet the seats are running out, so we should probably get going. Come on, you goofball. And again, really, thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you. My hero, I guess. Yes, sorry, I spaced out. Movies, right. Okay, let's get going then.